Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel, Innovate with Karan. Today I'm going to be showing you two products that I bought recently for the cycle behind me. I actually bought that cycle also very recently. So now here are the products. So I bought this pouch. This pouch can be mounted on the cycle and you can keep your wallet, your other things, everything you want you can keep in this along with your phone. And this material is a touch screen material, so you can interact with your phone while it's inside. So now I will install that. The second product which I bought is this. This is called a bicycle computer. This will actually tell you what speed you're going at. And this is a very cheap product. I bought it only for 330 rupees. That's it. So now I will install it and show you. This product comes with a velcro, so it's actually very easy to install it on your bicycle. Now I'm placing it over here. I will fast forward all this. And now it is done. It's actually quite stable. Now I will open this and I'll put my phone inside. Now my phone is inside. I'll close it. Now my phone is waterproof. Now let's turn it on. Yes, now I can access my phone completely. I can play a video or play any music that I want to play. Okay, so first I will install this magnet. To open it you need this type of screwdriver. So now I'll open it. Now the screw is out. And this thing opens up. I will put this onto this side. I will open the sticker on this and I'll stick it in front of this. I will remove this cello tape and place this holder over here. I will just tie this up with these three ties. Everything has been put where it is supposed to be put. I just have to connect the speedometer. Now my cycle has become a cycle with a speedometer. Yay! Now I will ride the cycle and see if it works. Let's hope it does. And it is working, so now let me go a little fast. Wow, it's actually showing me exactly what speed I'm going at. My god, I'm going at 24. Wow, this is so good. I'm enjoying this so much by looking at my speed. Wow. Now let me come to a halt. Now it's reducing slowly, slowly, slowly. It's almost to zero and finally it has come to zero. This was incredible. I am really loving these two products. I'm really liking them. They're so useful and make cycling so much more fun. Anyway, if you want these two products, I'm going to put the link in the description below. Just click on them and buy these products if you like cycling and you want to have fun while cycling. If you all like this video, hit on the like icon, and if you want more videos similar to this one, just hit on the subscribe button on YouTube. If you want to watch a video about a pen drive that can be used on your laptop and the same pen drive can be used on your phone as well, click on this link. Thank you so much for watching this video, everyone. Have a wonderful day. Bye.